the summer of love.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you a simple Android trick. This method works for every Android devices. Download the application called Audio Pocket. Application size is 1.7 megabytes. Download link in description below. After download, open YouTube in your Android device. Now select the video you want to watch. Now share the video to Audio Pocket. Now you can see a small window in my screen. Tap on it. See, I am using YouTube on my home screen. You can use every YouTube features in this application, like changing resolution, autoplay, like. See, this app works perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more videos.